we're gonna need some water. Hit that notification bell and that it's very raw.
That's what she said.
Like, I feel like I can get a, oh my gosh. This better not get on my white shirt. Ugh. Yeah. What's up, everybody? My name is Andrea. If you're new here and if you are, feel free to hit that subscribe button down below. And to my OG subscribers, thanks for tuning back in and welcome back to another video. So, typically I have to go to Homegoods several different trips. Sprinklers. Typically, when I bring you guys a haul, I have gone to Homegoods several different times and found these gems. But this time, it was a one-stop shop. I found everything at one time, at one location, and they're all so good. Now, they're all going to be Wabi inspired. You guys know I have been feeling that lately, and I'm trying to incorporate that in my home. So, we're just going to hop right into the haul. So, this piece, dare I say, is my favorite Homegoods find. Probably my favorite find ever. Like, besides my little travertine tables, this is my favorite. Like I said earlier and in past videos, I have been obsessed with Wabi, Belgian modern, raw, real interiors. I just love how authentic the spaces feel. All the pieces feel very well traveled and very well aged, if you will. So when I saw this, I gagged, okay? So just brace yourself. Look how imperfectly perfect this is. I have never seen anything like this before, and I don't even know how this was in Homegoods. Okay, so it was $39.99. Kind of steep for Homegoods, but honestly not really, because it looks like it came from a thrift store, like some kind of vintage high-end thrift store, even in a estate sale. I love it so much. So let's get into the colors, like the shades in it. It has this like smoky effect, and like I said, it's so imperfectly perfect. I had to have it. I love the little handle on the side, how it's not perfectly linear. It kind of has some like curves and it's kind of slanted. The neck of the picture, I don't know if it's a picture or a vase. I say that because Ami Song recently came out with a collab with some of her favorite Etsy shops, and she had a picture that was similar in shape. Hers was ceramic though and looked way safer to drink out of. I will not be putting water or any kind of beverage in this and pouring it into a cup to drink it. Like, I feel like it would be mud water.
That better be hot cocoa. It tastes more like hot caca.
So I won't be drinking anything out of this, but I do plan on kind of hooking up my bookcases with this piece to bring that raw and realness into that space. And I do want to kind of play around with this as well, not keeping the bookshelf the same all the time. I can put this on my coffee table. That should be coming soon. Put like a little dainty floral or branch, stem, whatever into this, because I just love how delicacy and rough juxtapose each other. I just love the way it looks in every space I see it. So yeah, I'm so excited about this piece, y'all. Like, I just can't get over how good this is. It's so Wabi and so good. Okay, so up next, I have been seeing these bowls / planters all over my social media accounts, and I'm in love with the look of them, how aged and antique they look. I want to say they're Turkish, but don't quote me. They're adorable to me. But the price?
No sir, not me.
I can't do it. Like, I love the way they look, but maybe one day in the future, if I find a good deal, I'll be able to bring that into my home. So when I saw this next piece, I died, because I can kind of get the feel that I want, but without that high price tag. So it's not exactly like the bowls, clearly. I mean, it doesn't have the little tapered shape down here on the bottom. It's just a flat bowl, but it has the little notches on the side, so I can kind of entice my appetite. Is that right? Y'all know I be making stuff up, making up phrases. But I found this at HomeGoods. Like I said, he was only $24.99. He's solid and I love him. Very raw. The notches aren't like perfectly linear, so it really gives that Wabi feel. I'm just, y'all, sticker messing up the whole vibe. Okay. There we go. It has some little hints of brown in it too, so it's very imperfect, but like I said, these pieces are imperfect but perfect for me. I love how textured it is. It's matte. It's just, it's so good. And this would even look good on a kitchen counter with like some lemons or some fruit in it. Actually, I have some lemons. Let's see what it's gonna look like. Hold on a second. Okay, so I got my 2 little lemons that I had in the kitchen, and just look, doesn't that look so cute? That's so cute to me. I don't know about y'all, but this did it for me. And like I said, it was $24.99. Like always, well, like in the past couple videos, I'll be leaving these style numbers down for you guys in the description box. So, yeah. Alright, so next up, we love a good vessel, especially a huge one. So when I saw this at HomeGoods, I snagged it up. I love it. It really reminds me of the Pottery Barn Artisan vessel or vase, whatever they call it. I'll put it up on the screen. But the handle is a little bit smaller, but it has that same feel. This vase really got me. It has little felt pads on the bottom so it doesn't scratch up your counters. It looks like it's hand painted because it has some little imperfections in it, some little splashes, some little splotches. Perfectly neutral. I was so excited to find him. He was $39.99. I can really see this with like some, put this down before I drop it. I can really see this with some like overstated, like obnoxiously big branches. You guys know the vibes. I'll put the picture up on the side so you guys see what I'm talking about. That would just bring the whole room to life. But I wonder how I can get some water in here though. Can I even put water? Oh, it says use with dry decoration. So I can't put water in this, but we're gonna need some water.
You better put some water on that damn shit.
Because you guys know I kill plants. Not on purpose, it just happens. So we'll figure that out. Maybe I can put like some kind of slender cup or something down here that has water in it and then put the branches in that. But yeah, I'll keep you guys posted. So excited to find this. And again, the style number will be in the description box down below. Okay, last but not least, I don't know what it is about a tray or a pedestal, but 9 times out of 10, if I see it, I'm gonna buy it. So I found this little guy at HomeGoods. He was $24.99. I just love, I'm gonna try to get the feel through the camera because it's very raw.
That's what she said.
I feel like I can get a, oh my gosh. This better not get on my white shirt. Okay, I'm gonna have to wash my hands after this, but clearly it's painted. It's like a really, y'all, I'm kind of paranoid now. Okay, so I'm gonna have to wash my hands after this, but clearly it was painted or stained. It's very raw, like the texture is crazy on this thing. And I just love, it still has a little pattern, like the little wooden ring in the middle. And I just love how textured and truly matte black it is. I saw a similar finish on some bases on Pinterest like a while back and like inadvertently manifested this piece. It even has some little spots where they missed the staining, which I love because it really gives that rawness, like true. It even has little spots where you can see where they kind of missed some of the staining. You see some of that, the wood tones coming through. And like I said, it was $24.99 and it has 3 little feet here on the bottom. You guys know I love little feet on trays. I just thought this would be good to put like on an entryway table, on a console table where there's like nothing really going on, but I need something there. This will even look good on my bedside with my phone in it. I'm not gonna put in it now because I'm gonna try to seal it or something so that it doesn't come off on my phone and then get all over my bedspread. But yeah, these kind of pieces just easily add something to a minimally These kind of pieces just easily add something to a minimally styled space, and I love them. So like I said, $24.99 at HomeGoods. Couldn't pass it up.
Yeah.
Okay guys, that is it for me today. Thank you so much for tuning in and spending some time with me. Like I said, these style numbers will be down in the description box. Let me know if you're able to find some of these pieces because I'm so excited about them. I have been really impressed with HomeGoods lately. Like, they're catching up to the times. Like, usually I'll go in and I found a few things, but the fact that I found these all at one time. Don't forget to like, comment, and share. Hit that subscribe button and that notification bell if you haven't. Take care of yourselves, those around you, and your mental health. And I will see you guys in my next video. But until then, peace out. Go wash my dang hands.